Honor has launched its new Play series phone in China called Honor Play 70 Plus, with AI features. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor Play 70 Plus features a tall 6.77-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support, and up to 850 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno A619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor Play 70 Plus sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear, with f1.8 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Magic OS 9.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.89 by 76.8 by 8.24 millimeters, and it weighs around 207 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 70 Plus has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage option is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in mint green, sand pink, snow white, and phantom black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 70 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.